Yes, sir.
Did you ever become conscious of something that you did not understand?
It's not possible.
Not possible.
No.
Okay.
See, because are you asking if I ever encountered something in a different way and I didn't understand what I encountered?
No, like, is consciousness always comes with understanding?
Basically, yes, because it's consciousness. See? You grasp something, you become conscious of it. Yeah. I'm not saying it's intellectual, but I'm saying yes. Okay, yes, sir. Ariel.
If I get something, I'm like, oh, that's true. How do I know that it's true and not like delusion? Or because it seems like I can get something and then I'll be like, there's a belief that comes in after the fact of, oh, maybe this is just my mind making me think that something's true, or that it's not, or that I'm just like this is still like a delusion, or.
Yeah, well, the first thing, of course, is you have that concern, see, that possibility. Is it, light or is it Memorex? Is this a delusion or is it actually true? See, so that helps you consider the matter more deeply, see, because you have that. When you grasp something is true, depending on what we're talking about, relative as or whatever, it's true because it's true. See? If you're deluding yourself, you've got to keep an eye out for that. See, if you believe it's true, that's not the same thing. You have to actually be there. And when it comes to direct, there is no intermediary. You are it. See? So it's perfectly obvious that it's true. Because there is no other possibility. See, it's that you're there kind of thing. In a way, it's like, it's not really like, but, in a sense, it's like you don't know what's over the hill, but you think something's over the hill. You think there's a valley and a river over there or something, or, whatever. You believe somebody else. See, but then when you walk up on a hill and you look down there, you see, there, that's what's over the hill. I see, there's a big rock there. Got it. You see what I'm saying? And you don't question, no, I'm not, this is analogous. See? You don't go, hey, am I actually looking at the rock? Because you are actually looking at the rock. That kind of thing. Metaphorically speaking. Okay? So yeah, do the best you can. Can you fool yourself? Sure. But you probably won't.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.